How far? How is everybody? How na day? For this video, I go teach you now how to use your real voice to generate your AI videos, and everything go sound real. You know, go they sound robotic like AI. So make sure say you watch this video to the very end to understand everything what I go do for this video. And also subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends around.
So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to generate your own AI video with your real voice. And when you generate this with your real voice, you can convert it to an AI and it is going to sound so natural. So first of all, you head to your search browser. I use Google Chrome. So when you're on your search browser, search for this app, this website, Morph AI. So you have a lot of morph AI show up, but the one we are going to use is this one. So just click on it. And one thing about this site, you don't need to log in with your maybe your Google account. They may ask you to log in, but you don't necessarily need to log in. Okay, all you have to do is just click these three lines that is above here. Once you do that, you click on products. Okay, now we are on product, and the next thing for you to do is choose voice changer. Good. So over here at the voice changer, you have options to upload files and options to record your own audio. If maybe you already have an audio you've recorded before, you are free to do that. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be recording directly. So let's go. I'll click on record audio. Sorry guys, I didn't know this was not recording anymore, so I'll just do a voiceover. So once you click on record audio, you just have the option to like start saying what you want to say, okay? So what you want your avatar to say, that is what you're going to say. As you can see over here, I was like saying what I want my avatar to say. Once you're done with your recording, you have options to like re-record the audio or proceed with your audio. So any of your choice. If you feel like you didn't do it well, you can redo it or proceed. So from here, we'll just click on proceed. So over here you have options like the voice actors to choose from. We have Natalie, we have Marcus, we have Ken, a lot of them. Just click on one, hear what their voices sound like, then choose the one you want. Okay, so once I choose the one I want, I'll click on start changing voice. So I must say guys, before you choose your voice actor, make sure you've generated your avatar or your image and know whether it's a male or female that you want to use, because that will help you decide the voice actor to choose. So over here, once we do that, it will start processing the voice change for us. Just give it some time. So once the original voice has changed to the AI voice you want to use, you see these options like they'll show you the original and the ones that were made with your voice changer. So all you have to do is click on this place that says download. You're going to download the one that was made with the AI, okay? Because that's what you use to sync with your avatar with your AI image. So guys, the next thing we'll do to create a complete AI video is for us to go again and search for one one AI. As you can see, it just popped up here. All right. So if you are on this one AI, please make sure you are on desktop site. Over to here that has this human head shape, that's the avatar. Click on it. Just come down here, you will see this place that says add character and audio. So I'm going to upload my character, that's the image, that's that AI image I showed you guys. Look for that AI. Okay, here it is. So I'll click on done. As you can see, is loading. Just give it some time for that AI image to load. And good. Then now what we have to do is click on audio and also upload from the files. So we'll go to files because it was in my file that that audio was um saved to. So we'll just search for it. I saved it as voice example, right? Voice example, yeah, that's this one. So now what I need you to understand is that one AI does not the audio part doesn't exceed 15 seconds. So what you have to do is choose the first 15 seconds and use your eye gauge to know where this 15-second ended, so that once you come back again you start like how you do your normal editing. Let me show you guys. So just click on confirm and let it load. So our audio is ready, and just come over here and click. You are currently generating without credit. The process could be slower. So I'm on free trial. As you can see, it says queuing. So we are using the free version. Okay, so that means it's going to take some time, but this is very interesting. I like the fact that this is looking interesting. So guys, just give it some time. Okay, let's just give it some time. Come over here, click here and download. Good. So now we will download with watermark, because definitely this is the free version. So you will be downloading it with the watermark. So we're going to save it to our file and you open it. Go to downloads and over here.
Okay, so how far?
Yes, so it's downloaded. Now just head back. We'll go back so we can be able to finish up with the other video, right? Generated this part of the audio. Just click on the audio and click on trim. Good. So if you notice, this was the first 15 seconds we used. So just shift this, adjust it. Now we've adjusted it and just confirm, and let me check again just to be sure. Okay, good. So confirm. And once you've confirmed that's what you want, you generate it again. So as you can see, it's saying we are generating without credit because this is the free version. So just like the other one, you give it time because it says screen. So we're going to give it time. Mind you, it's going to take a long while. So make sure you have enough data to be able to generate it because it's going to take time. Okay. Okay, so the second one has generated. This was the first one. Sorry, this was the first one we generated, and this is the second one we generated. Okay, so all you have to do is just come over here, click here and download. Once you download, you will see it on your files. All right, I already downloaded this before, as you can see, this and this. You still select it to make sure it's downloaded straight to your photos, like your photo gallery. Okay, so it's on my photo gallery, and the next thing you do is to head over to your CapCut and add it. I already added them. Just import the files, import the two videos you generated, and cut out some excesses or things you just don't want to be in the video. Okay, and once you are done, simply export. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you learned one or two things. Share, like, and also subscribe. Bye.